Holy smooch, this is not good. Dareen Younes, why did you use the lumpy scream sound effect when Raddy from Sprunky screams like that?
You know this sound effect gives me horror movie vibes. Stop using that sound effect.
You should use the Thaddeus Bile Scream SFX. Did you hear me? No, you did not hear me. You did not hear me when you're using the Andrew Helm Scream SFX, and look, you made Kasane Teto cry. That's it, I will be playing something for you, take this. There, this is what you get for using lumpy scream sound effect. Man, I wish this sound effect was eaten by Tyrannosaurus Rex, and Tyrannosaurus Rex will have a stomach ache. End of call out.